God, I've literally just sent off your stickers to you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Like, that is so crazy. Hang on. I am not joking you, I've just been to the post box now, and I was just talking about you, and then I see you. How is that even real? That, oh my God. Are you okay?
Yeah, anyway, I literally just left my house.
You literally just go for a ride? Yeah. Fine, we'll go around town then if you want, go through West Shore.
Yeah.
Do you want to go where I usually go for my wheelies and that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to go there? Alright, cool. That is crazy. Just as I sent those stickers off to him, I could have literally have just handed it to him. Oh my God, man. So he's got to wait now for a day until he gets those stickers. What a coincidence. Yeah, boy. And of course it would start to rain more, wouldn't it? Oh my God. But anyway, as I was saying, a huge thank you to everyone who has bought stickers to support my channel. It really does mean so much to me that I've got such a great community, and I'm so lucky to have you guys. I really, really am. So thank you so much to all those who have bought stickers and supported my channel. Now, I've been asked this a lot, will I get another Benelli motorcycle? And the quick answer to that is no. No, I won't. Unless, of course, they do a supermoto. And I know it's crazy this, because I absolutely love these bikes. I really do love these bikes. But I really have fallen in love with the supermoto, and I can't envision Benelli doing a supermoto anytime soon. Now, I've seen what Benelli has to offer, and their big bikes, they really do look absolutely stunning, and in the future they're going to have some really interesting bikes. And honestly, if I had the money, if I had the space, I would definitely buy one. But I have a feeling that my next big bike is going to be a supermoto. I've just totally fallen in love with them since I've been on one now, and they're just so much fun. I can just take it anywhere I want. That's what I love about the supermoto. It's just so versatile. You can do anything with it. This is pretty much it. But it goes up there. I mean, there are sometimes some people that walk along here, but I doubt there'll be anyone today. So, do you want to do a few wheelies? Yeah. Yeah, boy. I love how he can wheelie that thing. It's just so much fun. Shit! Yeah, I nearly f***ing binned it again then. Have you ever tried to do a stoppie on that?
Yeah, I just did that.
Oh, did you? Alright.
Oh, because you got the engine.
Yeah, I was going to say, because it's weighted at the back, innit? Oh, Jesus Christ! Do you want to have a go again?
Eh?
Do you want to have a go again? Yeah, go for it. It'll give you a chance to get better at gears as well. You know what I mean? Just to help you learn better.
Yeah.
Do you want me to just sit on that for a bit?
I got a video of me actually trying to ride it.
Yeah.
My dad was watching it back with me.
Alright.
And he was like, I was going to say you can have a go for my GSXR 750, but I mean...
Yeah, exactly. Maybe not.
Yeah.
But yeah, it will give you a chance to get better on it though, at least, with gears. God, this is actually so light to push. Oh my God. I'll follow him on the scoot. Hell yeah, boy! Scoot! I don't know why it's so fun. This feels so weird being on this bad boy. Hell yeah, boy! Got my scoot! Oh shit! Oh, that looks so cool. I forget how cool that bike looks, I really do. Oh Jesus Christ, nearly end up in a bush. That would have been comical. Let's see how bad. Oh yeah, boy! Speed demon! Oh, oh! Yeah, boy! Come on! I love two strokes. I've taken them to the wrong way. We're going up a massive hill here. I was going to say we'll probably leave that because it's like a massive hill. I don't know if you scoot.
The wrong way?
Yeah, I don't know if your scoot will get up there. And we could try if you want.
Yeah?
There is a bit of a drop though. Be careful. Go for it. You're right. I'll lead the way. There you go. Let him lead the way. Oh my god, this is bumpy. Oh! Taking scoot off road. Yeah, boy. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. I'm not sure the suspension was made for this. Oh, a little bit of slippage there, I think. I really do have a lot of trust for my subscribers, don't I? You know, there's not a lot stopping him from going off that cliff. Yeah! That's crazy, that, isn't it?
Eh?
It's crazy, that, isn't it?
Oh right, that makes sense. The keys on.
Yeah, don't go any further. Yeah. That's where the path gets a bit narrow.
That's where I would drop it down.
Yeah. I was going to say, you know when you go down here,
Yeah.
just keep it either in first or second, because you'll end up like me and I binned it.
If you want, you can lower back on the way down here.
Hey?
If you want, you can lower on the way back on the way down.
You don't feel confident?
Hey?
Do you feel confident?
I'm like, nah.
Yeah? Alright, got him. You like it then, yeah? Yeah.
Took me a little bit to get used to the gears, but then after that I'll be alright.
Yeah, you're fine on it now.
Yeah.
I don't think you'll have a problem at all. Are you actually going to get a geared bike then next? Yeah, definitely. Definitely need to get one.
In 17 I'll be on a geared bike.
What's that?
The day I turn 17 I'll be on a geared
Yeah. What are you going to get?
I don't know. I was thinking about getting either a Benelli
Yeah.
or like a mini bike, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. They are good bikes though. You know.
Or a supermoto maybe, like a WR one.
Yeah, I know. My next bike's definitely going to be a supermoto, 100%. Hey?
The grass is wet, the front wheel won't.
Hang on, let's try it. Also as well, guys and girls, he has actually got a YouTube channel and he's just put his first video up, and that was of our little meetup that I did with my subscribers. Oh, is he slipping a bit? So I will put a little link down in the description box below so that you can go over to his channel. But support him, you know, give him some subscribers. He's only very small, he's literally just started, so please go out there and subscribe to his channel, because he's just an awesome guy. He really is a fantastic guy. I've just noticed that as well, look at that. TNT. What is that? Maybe that's where they kind of based it off from. They've seen that moped and thought, yeah, we'll do that.
I nearly ate some bush then.
Right, boys and girls, thank you so much for watching. If you have liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. And also don't forget to smash that button, because it'll notify you of any more videos coming up in the future. And I will see you again very soon.